Welcome back to the channel. This is a world earthquake update. We're going over to the beautiful South Pacific. We have two earthquakes that have occurred over the course of the last 24 hours. The first on February 21st, 2026 was in the beautiful Solomon Islands with an epicenter of 11.2 degrees south and 162.2 degrees east, putting it just south of the southern island of Makira in the Solomon Islands, which is in the Coral Sea. And this occurred at a depth of 6.2 miles below the Earth's surface within the crust, a shallow earthquake. And this area has had in the past larger earthquakes, namely in 2016 a 7.8 and 2014 a 7.6 magnitude. Now tectonically, this earthquake occurred along the San Cristobal Trench, a convergent plate boundary and subduction zone between the Pacific plate and the indo-australian plate. So a simple major plate convergence and subduction along this area of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Then we go across to the beautiful island of Fiji in just southwest with an epicenter of 21.5 degrees south and 179.3 degrees east, where they experienced on February 22nd a magnitude 6.0. However, the depth or focus of this earthquake was much deeper. It was 406 miles, which puts it on the boundary between the plastic and ductile asthenosphere and the lower mantle or mesosphere, which is a lot denser. And this boundary is a transition point in the Earth's interior. Now, this was caused by this subducting slab of the subducting Pacific plate as it goes under the Indo-Australian plate along what's called the Tonga Trench or subduction zone. Now, these two earthquakes may not be connected, one being very shallow, one being very deep. However, the movement along this area, this part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, is definitely interesting, and let's wait and see if there's any more earthquakes larger than 6.0 in this region.